Okay, so now I'm back, and we just did the filter based on potato chip. But what if we wanted to do this? Check this out, guys. I'm gonna make things fun for you. I'm gonna go and add a new text component, which we've been doing for a little while now. I'm not gonna put text. Sorry. I'm gonna add a new type. I'm gonna add a under form and fields. I'm gonna add a text input. Okay. And I'm gonna call this. We can say enter your filter type. And then in here, I'm not going to put anything, but I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it input filter type. All right. And what I'm going to say here, because remember we had the word contains before? What I'm going to do instead, I'm going to say not contains, but I'm going to do something unique here. I'm going to say form input type. So now when I type this information here, as I type it, it's going to filter this list based on what I typed, if what I have is in there. So let's see that work right now. So we got all of them because our filter is now this thing. So I'm going to say cheese. Look at 100 people like cheese. All right. How about chips? So 550 and 3,000 people. All right. So what if I were to say sour? I spelled it wrong, by the way. Just to let you know that. Source cream. What is source cream? Hey, look, I got source cream. Okay. What else would we might want? Yeah, you see I messed up because what I want to do, I'm going to go back in the database, change that source cream to sour cream. And now I'm going to run this thing again. And I'm going to type in, well, what do they like? Cream? Well, some people like sour cream, some people like ice cream. So as you can see here, I've been able to create a filter of my data from an input field. Now, by the way, when you create a text field or a field, form field of some kind, you can use that in the filter, which is what we've been doing, but just so that you know. And we can do very unique things, very conditional things. We could either say contain, we can say equal to, and also, by the way, earlier we said our filter type, but let's say we say enter your filter count. And then we say over here, I want to say where the count is greater than or equal to my filter type. Okay, so now when I run it, it's going to filter based on numerical value and not my text. And I already had cream in there from earlier. And I'm not, yeah, okay, so if I don't put anything in there, I think it's not going to work. So, yeah. So this one actually doesn't show it to me unless I actually type something in. So that is not the greatest thing. I have to be completely honest with you. So, but as you can see, that's how you can filter stuff. So we've done the filtering using the simple list, which is really great. And hopefully you understand a little bit about the simple list, how we can use a collection, how we can use a custom filter, and how we can do sorting. I showed you that earlier. We can add dividers. You can even change the color, by the way, if you want to change the color of your divider and make it prettier. Just run that real quick. But I want to fix this one because I think the other one was better. Name contains our filter type. And you know what? I think I removed the to actually use a divider. So we'll say an inset divider, and we'll run it again. You see how it shows that blue over there already? I'm gonna run the inset, and then you're gonna see nice separation here. I don't fully like it, you know, because it's not really centered. Maybe it should be centered, and you cannot really do that easily. But let's see, if we go over to title, you see we can go over here, and we cannot specify to center this. And that's where we can come up with another type of list, which is a custom list, and we'll be able to do that. But we'll do that in the later video. I think we'll stop right here. This is a pretty good place to stop, and we'll continue in our next video. See you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Just continue on to the next video, and we'll just continue where we left off. Thanks. Like, share, subscribe. Awesome.